नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे हैं और स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल हाई विंग्स यूजीसी नेट पे। तो चलिए, आपने पिछले कुछ वीडियोस तो मेरे देखे ही होंगे। आई होप कि आपको पसंद भी आए होंगे। तो गाइस प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए चैनल को। और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन के बारे में। तो आपको पता है कि सैटेलाइट क्या होता है या सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन क्या होता है? तो अगर आपको पता है तो जल्दी से कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए और मैं आपको बता देती हूँ। सिंपल। सो सैटेलाइट इज अ मून, अ प्लैनेट और इट कैन बी मशीन दैट ऑर्बिट्स टू अ प्लैनेट और अ स्टार। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अर्थ इज अ सैटेलाइट। डू यू नो दिस? So it orbits. Where it orbits? It orbits around the sun. Likewise, moon is also a star and it orbits the earth. So the satellite is a machine that is launched into space and moves around the earth and or another body in space. Still, other satellites are used for mainly for communications, such as beaming of TV, phone calls. So, आपने फ्रेंड्स देखा होगा कि आप फ़ोन कॉल्स रिसीव कर रहे हैं, आपका जीपीएस सिस्टम है एंड आप टीवी ऑन करते हैं तो आपको सिग्नल होते हैं। ये सब कैसा होता है? ये सब होता है सैटेलाइट कम्युनिकेशन के थ्रू। A group of 20 satellites make GPS, which is known as Global Positioning System. So if you have GPS, so these GPS can help you out to locate exact location where you reside. Okay, where you go, where you want to go. These GPS help you figure out the location. Bird's eye view that satellite have help you to figure out the large area of Earth at one time. Satellite collect more data more quickly than any other instrument on the ground. Satellite can also help to see in space better than telescope. So you can better see from satellite than from telescope. Sputnik 1 was first satellite launched in 1957 by Soviet Union. Satellite is an artificial body placed in an orbit around the Earth or on another planet. Communication satellite relay around the world telephone, fax, messages, television program, radio signals, and so on. Earth station is an installation designed to transmit and receive signals from a satellite in orbit around the Earth. Earth stations send information in the form of frequencies. Signals to satellites that receive and retransmit the signals back to Earth. These retransmitted signals are then received by other Earth stations in the coverage area of the satellite. The area which receives the signal from the satellite is known as satellite footprint. Transmit system from the Earth station to the satellite is called uplink, and transmission system from satellite to the Earth station is called downlink. Orbits are of three types: geostationary orbit, polar circular orbit, inclined highly elliptical orbit. Geostationary orbit: satellite takes 24 hours to circle once around the Earth. Since the period of revolution is equal to period of rotation of Earth, satellite appears to be stationary in the sky. For the reason 35,900 km high equatorial orbit is called geostationary orbit. Arthur C. Clarke suggested first time that satellite in geosynchronous orbits can be used for communication purposes. Entire Earth can be linked or covered by the communication network. If three geostationary satellites are placed of an equatorial triangle, each of satellites are covered with 1/3 of the globe. Polar circular orbit is a type of orbit placed 1000 km above Earth's surface. It passes over the poles. Angle of inclination of this orbit is 90 degree. It scans the whole Earth in every 12 hours. Satellites used for weather monitoring are launched in polar orbit. Now, third is inclined highly elliptical orbit. Inclined highly elliptical orbit. It is used for establishing communication at regions high latitudes. The angle of inclination is equal to 63 degree. So that's it for communication satellite. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.